Where's the car?
In the shed.
Where is the train? Wow, where's the moon? Wow, where is the dog? Oh, what is the sound of the dog? Wow, where is the house? Wow, where is the bird? Where's the bird? How about umbrella? Where's the umbrella? What? Ang car? Where's the sun? Where is the sun? Ang frog? Where's the frog? Touch the frog. Touch the frog. Where's the frog? There. How about lion? Where's the lion? Where's the lion? Touch mo yung lion. Where? Wow! Very good!